This Beiben 6.6 all-wheel drive truck mounted knuckle boom crane is equipped with XCMG SQZ300 folding crane and XCB900 auxiliary rear outriggers. Powered by WP10380HP, engine matched with 12-speed manual transmission. It delivers strong power and excellent cross-country performance. The heavy-duty 6.6 full less than greater than driving chassis with large less than greater than pattern off less than greater than road tires adapts to rough, muddy, and mountainous road conditions. Folding knuckle boom design saves body space and offers flexible lifting operation. The auxiliary rear outriggers greatly improve working stability during lifting tasks. It adopts NG8 OB long sleeper cabin for comfortable long-distance driving. This vehicle is widely used for material hoisting and transportation in mining sites, forest areas, infrastructure construction, field engineering rescue, and remote area logistics, completing lifting and cargo delivery in one unit.